Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the pound dollar, I'm definitely still calling this a wave A over here. I still think this is three waves down for wave B. I personally still think this is all just a big uptrend that's forming now, and I still think we're most likely going to go up and make an expanding flat wave C or maybe a running flat wave C. An expanding flat definitely would take out these previous highs. A running flat would make a lower high. So, anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think that this first push up right here is actually a wave 3 already. This is the end of a wave 2, so that makes this a 1 of 3, WXY 2 of wave 3, and I think this is all still subdivisions of that wave 3. I think it's going to make a higher low, and just keep on trending up, all part of the big wave 3 of either a running flat or an expanding flat on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, we are already all the way down to the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this big push up right here. Now, for me, I'm only a one direction trader. I'm only looking for shorts ever since it broke structure to the downside way back here. But it does seem pretty logical that it would bounce off this 78%, probably go up and break structure. And once it does break structure, I definitely will stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again, especially because of my higher time frame analysis. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now on the 4 hour time frame, after that big push down that we just recently have, I would definitely be keeping an eye on this structure right here. That is the break of structure that is going to confirm for me that this whole move down is over. Is this an ABC or is it a trend? I don't really know. It could actually be just a trend, which means the next move up could even end up being like a wave B or a wave 2. But even if it is, once I see a break of structure, I definitely will start looking for logs on the sort of time frames. So, going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I only trade in one direction. Right now, I'm only looking for shorts. I do not look for buys. I only trade in one direction. I trade about 30 some odd pairs. So, I mean, for me, trading in one direction is fine because there's almost always a trend trade on something. But for now, this most recent high right here is what's going to turn me into a buyer. As of right now, I'm only looking for shorts. So if it does make a pullback like that, I'm definitely going to go short again for the continuation of the move down. I don't know that it's going to stop at this 78% and go up. On the other hand, if it really does just keep on going up, and if it does stop breaking this structure, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer at the end of the first pullback I see, and every pullback after that. But like I said, I don't know that it's going to respect this 78%. I don't know that it's going to go up and break structure, so guess what I'm doing? I'm looking for shorts at the end of every pullback I see. The trend is your friend. I'm definitely not a top or a bottom picker. I'm definitely a continuation of the trend picker. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts in a downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.